Hello everyone, welcome back to BJ Tech channel. On this channel, we teach different tutorials on how to make money online, introduce useful tools for working boys, share crypto flashing updates, methods, and much more. Kindly join my Telegram and WhatsApp channel for updates, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll be among the first to receive updates whenever I upload a new one. Without being said, let's move on to today's video. In today's video, I want to teach you guys how you can flash USDT tokens on Binance. No, this video is for educational purpose. Do not use for illegal things. You know what I'm saying. This is for you to stay safe on how to use flash tokens online. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, go to our Play Store. We will download either you can either follow this method. If you want, I'm teaching you guys how to only do it on Binance stand. If you want to know how to do it on Trust Wallet, because these methods also work on Trust Wallet. It works on 4 different wallets. So it works on OKS, Binance, which one again? It was on OKS, Binance, BitGet, Gate.io wallet. So those wallets, if you haven't watched my previous video, kindly go and watch it. So all you need to do is just this method is just like swapping to the flash token, which is simple. So if you don't have Binance, you create a Binance account. You create a Binance because Binance will give you download Binance and open it stand. So in Binance, once you download it, you create an account stand, you verify it. So before you'll be able to switch to wallet, because the part we are using here is wallet part stand. We are not using this exchange. You can see at the top we have exchange and we have wallet. So if you want to use this flash token USDT, you need to switch to wallet stand. So you can either swap your flash USDT from OKS wallet. If you haven't watched that, watch it. That is my last video. If it's just Binance you want to go with, just come here to swap. But if you use other, maybe you want to use that flash token USDT on Trust Wallet also, you can just swap it from OKS. Then you can be transferring from OKS to Trust Wallet, from OKS to Binance. That is how it works. So, and we also teach how to generate your own token. If you want to generate token, maybe the token you have has already expired, because we have plenty tokens on this crypto space. We have plenty flash tokens that will give you multiple balance. So you see all this one that is here now, they have expired. That means they are not showing on the balance. The only one that is reflecting on the balance, that one is the one that is active. You can see it is still active. This is the first one here. We have a 243. So, and if you want to use it, if you want to swap it on Binance, maybe you want to generate your own flash token that will give you plenty funds, you guys deposit BNB, because we are swapping using BNB. Understand? So everything you are doing, you are swapping with BNB. Just deposit like $3 BNB, you are good to go to swap to the flash token. So let's do, like, if you want to deposit your crypto, you just click on receive, then you click on receive your wallet address. So you see this, don't mind all this one you are seeing, all this token you are seeing, they are the one that is flash token. So that's why they are showing red like this. So you make sure you copy the BNB wallet address. That is the one you will copy. Copy the BNB wallet address, BNB. So you can see the BNB. Just click on it. This is your BNB wallet address. Then copy it, then deposit the minimum of $3. So if you want to do it on OKS too, that is the same thing you do. Just deposit BNB. Then you come to the swap area, come to the trade, this trade part, that is the swap area. Then if you want to swap, let's say this, we have BNB already. So you come here, you put the contract address. The most important part is the contract address. So that is what you will be buying if you need it. Stand. Once you paste your contract address, they will bring out this to stand. They'll bring out this, then you put the amount you want to swap. Stand. Let's say we want to swap 0.0001. Let's check the amount it will give. To give me like 2,000 USD. Once you do swapping, and you see that the amount is not even giving big balance, that does know that the contract address is not working again, it's not working anymore. But once you type this 0.000, all those things, and you see the balance is that you can see the amount I want to use swap. The amount I want to use here is not even up to $1. Stand, it's not up to $1 BNB. So that is that, and this will give me equivalent to $2,046. So once I click on swap, stand, so they will tell me this thing could be lost, is done. So you click on proceed. Once you click now, you click on proceed with transaction. So let's proceed. Let's check if, then you click on confirm, stand. So then you do this. So but note, make sure you have already, you see we have swapped 0.001 to 2,000. So make sure you already have BNB, and make sure you are using your Binance wallet, not the exchange part. So you see it now. You see the money I flash, the money I swap, now you can see it has reflect. So this contract address I used here, can also use it on your Trust Wallet. If you want to transfer this to Trust Wallet, it will show. It will show exactly. If you want to use it on OKS2, it will show. So that is how you can do your swapping this. And if you want to send it to your client, you just tell your client to send the BNB wallet address. So just tell the client to click on receive, then you will search BNB wallet address. Once you give your client the BNB wallet, once you collect your client BNB wallet address, because why you are collecting BNB wallet address, because even the BNB and anything that is under BEP20 in Web3 wallet, they will be coming with the same wallet address. So the BNB, if I tell you to search the wallet address, if I tell you to search the token and copy the wallet address, it will be confused and complicated. All you need to just tell your client to give me your BNB wallet address. Once you send it, this USDT, it will show as USDT once you send it out. So if you want to send it to your client now, maybe you want to send it to your client, you just need to click on send here. Once you click on send, you click on send to wallet address. So once you click on send address, you select the token will flash. You can see it, that is still reflecting on our Binance. That is still reflecting on our balance. Is this first one here? Once you click it, let's see, click it like this, you paste the wallet address. Stand. Let me try if I can send from this Binance to Trust Wallet. Let's try it out. So let's copy our Trust Wallet BNB wallet address, because there be a case it can work. So let's try it out. So okay, if I tell you, okay, let me send out. Let me check another wallet. Okay, this is another wallet. Let's click on receive, proceed anyway. So this thing is just like, if it didn't work on your Binance, it's good, because if you work on, but if you want to use it on OKS, you can't watch the last video to understand how to swap on OKS stand. So I've copied the wallet address. Now let's go to our Binance. Let's check it. So let's check, paste it, then continue. So let's send like the $200, $200. Then click on continue. Let's check. Okay, like this. Now you can see now the thing is in high risk. That means we can't send from to Trust Wallet, so it can't work if you are using Binance. So if your client is using Binance, you can either send from Binance to Binance. It will work like that. So that is that on that. If you love this video so far, please like and share this video, and make sure you are subscribing to my YouTube channel, and make sure you join my Telegram channel for update. See you next in my next video. Bye.
Stay tuned for more tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe.